مرحبا، أنا اسمي زايا. This is Arabic Easy for All Beginners Basic Arabic Courses. Lesson 6, Part 2. The alphabets, shapes, modifications, or kaf and lam, new fashion. Part 2 of the Arabic alphabets course will deal with the characters kaf and lam in a very easy manner. In a way, students will focus further deep on how to write them on their initial, medial, and final word position. In its initial word position, kaf is written this way. From right to left. It is seen in words like kitabun, which means a book. It is also seen in words like kuratun, which means a ball. In its medial word position, kaf is written this way. It is noticed in words like Mecca. Also, an example like samakatun, which means a fish. In its final word position, kaf is written this way. Seen in the example dik, which means rooster. Or in another final word position, like in the example shawk, which means thorns. In its initial word position, lam is written this way. From right to left, like in the example laymoon, which means lemon. Also noticed in words like layl, which means the night. In its medial word position, lam is written this way. It is noticed in words like thalab, which means a fox. Also in the word balloon, which means a balloon. In its final word position, lam is written this way. Noticed in the example basal, which means onion. Or in another final word position, like in the example mal, which means money. Before we finish, here is a quick quiz. The words are already taught in the course. Please guess the words from the pictures and say them loudly. Did you get this part easily? It is time to learn them by heart. Just keep repeating them loudly that you hear yourself saying them correctly and discover the beauty of your sounds. Don't forget to repeat writing them as well, 10 times, 20 times, 100 times, why not? A PDF writing worksheet to help you exercise writing them is on the website link underneath this video. In Lesson 6, Part 2, we learned about kaf and lam shapes modifications. In the coming topic, Part 3, we will, inshallah, learn about kaf and lam single signs. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time, inshallah. في أمان الله.